Hello. In regard to the last lecture, I just want to start from here. So, spielen Sie Dialog wie in Aufgabe 5. Gehen Sie durch den Kurzraum und machen Sie für jeden Tag eine Verabredung mit einer anderen Person. Schreiben Sie Ihren Termin in den Kalender. Okay, ins Theater, ins Schwimmbad, ins Restaurant, ins Museum, ins Cafe, ins Football Stadium. Those are all the things we seen in the last lecture itself. But what is today we are going to say is Montag is gige ins bureau like that we can so it is a schedule planner like that. So we can it is for the practice as well. Ich arbeite im Bureau am Montag, and then also we can write it as like Dienstag am Nachmittag ich treffe meine Freundin like that. So I meet my friend, and then Mittwoch, or else we can go on the weekend like am Samstag ich sehe einen Film mit Sarah, something like that. So you can able to put a schedule plan like this in this tabular column. So now we are going to, it is a Sats melody. So with this question mark, one can able to it's with the tone modulation. We are just understand that it is a question. Gehen wir ins Kino? So Kino like that. So the tone is rising above. Ja, gerne. Gehen wir ins Theater? So it is also going above. So nein, das geht nicht. So it is a normal usual sentence which always goes flat. Wann gehen wir am Montag? Was machen wir am Montag? Wir gehen ins Kino. So we have to practice this as a question and also the answer format. Frage oder Aussage. Was hören Sie? Achten Sie auf die Melodie. Ergänzen Sie oder. So we are just going to play it. 1.21. Okay, German A1, and then here is the thing is am Samstag 1.21. It is the 6B. The lesson is 2. Yes.
Aufgabe 6b. 1.
Wann gehen wir ins Theater?
Am Samstag.
So it is a question mark.
Wann gehen wir ins Museum?
Am Sonntag.
It is a full stop. It is also
3.
a full stop. The first one is also.
Komm schnell, wir gehen jetzt ins Kino.
Ins Kino?
It's a question mark.
4. Wann gehen wir ins Restaurant?
Am Freitag.
It is a question mark. So one more time.
Aufgabe 6b. 1.
Wann gehen wir ins Theater?
Am Samstag.
Samstag. So it is the tone is going up.
2.
So it is question mark only.
Wann gehen wir ins Museum?
Am Sonntag.
Am Sonntag. It is flat.
3.
Komm schnell, wir gehen jetzt ins Kino.
Ins Kino?
Ins Kino. It's going up. The tone is going up.
4. 4. Wann gehen wir ins Restaurant?
Am Freitag.
It is a statement. It is going flat. Yes. So now we are moving into the next part. It's main beruf. Main beruf is my profession. My profession. Beruf is profession. Lesen Sie die Texte or ordnen Sie die Bilder so. Harun Arslan. So here we are provided with 4 images and 4 text also here. 1, 2, 3, 4 text has been given here. So ich bin Ärztin und arbeite in einer Klinik. Hier arbeiten 920 Ärzte und wir haben Platz für 1250 Patienten. Ich arbeite 40 Stunden pro Woche, oft auch nachts und am Wochenende. So I am doctor and I work in a clinic. So the next sentence is also here works 920 doctors and we have a place for almost 1250 patients and ich arbeite, I work for 40 hours per week and oft auch nachts, often also nights and in the weekend. So we have to match the nearest picture is, the picture which matches with this text is Magda donut. Magda donut is the first for the answer for the first text. Magda donut. And then the number 2 is Ich bin Techniker bei WW. Wir produzieren Autos. In Wolfsburg arbeiten 50.000 Menschen. Ich arbeite am Wochenende, aber ich habe 2 Tage frei, Montag und Dienstag. Name is Magda Dukto. Okay, Name is Ich bin Techniker. So Techniker is technical person. WW is nothing but Volkswagen. And wir produzieren Autos. We are producing cars. In Wolfsburg arbeiten, so working 50,000 people. Ich arbeite am Wochenende. I work in the weekends. But I have 2 days free. Tage frei. Frei is nothing but free. Montag and Dienstag. So it is Harun Arslan. It matches with Harun Arslan. Okay. And then the next one is Ich bin Taxifahrer bei Taxi Central. I am a taxi driver in the taxi. By is at Taxi Central. Ich fahre pro Jahr. I travel every year. Pro Jahr is every year. Every year 40,000 kilometer und lese and read 45 Bücher. Ich warte is I wait a lot and read. Ich arbeite 6 Tage pro Woche. I work 6 days in a week, per week. Pro Woche is nothing but per week. Am Montag habe ich frei. In the Mondays I am free. Similarly, ich bin von Montag bis Donnerstag an der Uni. Ich lerne am Freitag und am Sonntag. So this third one I just have to match and I forgot to give the name here. It is Fabian Hoflinger. The one stands near the taxi is Fabian Hoflinger. And then the fourth final one, Ich bin Studentin, I am a student. Ich bin von Montag. I am from Monday till Monday. This is nothing but till Thursday and the uni. So I am in the university from Monday till Thursday. Ich lerne, I learn. Am Freitag und am Sonntag. I learn in the Friday and Saturday. Friday and Sunday. Am Samstag habe ich frei. On the Saturdays I am free. Ich studiere Architektur. I study. Studiere is nothing but I study Architektur in Kohl. Hier gibt es 670 Architekturstudenten, so viele. Here I have 670 architecture students, so viele. Name is Silke Jonas. So here we have to write the numbers. I'm just going to play the numbers here. It is B, 7B.
Aufgabe 7b.
920.
920 is 920.
50.000.
50.000.
1250. 600.
1250. It is 1250. 670. 670 is 670. 45. 45 is so we have to type the 5 first and then 4 next. 45. 40,000 is 40,000. That's it. And also here it is Arun Haslan is techniker, Silka Jonas is a student, and then Magda Donat is Arston, and then Fabian Hoflinger is taxifahrer, and then Arbeitsplatz is for the Harun Aslan is W, BW, and then Silka Jonas is under Unite, and then Magda Donat is clinic, and then taxi central as it has been given already. Arbeitszeit is Harun Aslan is Arbeitszeit is 40 40 Stunden pro Woche. 40 Stunden pro Woche. And then Silke Jonas is like she hasn't given the numbers here, but we can put the Freitag Montag bis Donnerstag. She is in the university. Montag. So I'm just type more and bis Dienstag. Dien. And Magda Donut is 40 Stunden and Fabian Hoflinger is okay, so which arbeit is 6 Tage. So here we have to put 6 Tage pro Woche is the answer. And then Freizeit is for the Harun Aslan. Harun Aslan is Montag und Dienstag. So I'm just put more und Dien. And Silke Jonas is am Samstag. Magda Donut is Montag. Magda Donut is they haven't spoke about this thing, so we can put the dash over here. And then Fabian Hoflinger is Montag. He is free. Montag he is free. Yes. And then welche Informationen fehlen is missing. So what information is missing? Fragen Sie Ihren Partner und schreiben Sie in the Tabelle. So was ist Herr Arslan von Beruf? What is Mr. Arslan von Beruf? So there ist Techniker. So the answer is here is Techniker. Wo arbeitet Er arbeitet im VW Volkswagen. Wann hat frei? Hat frei am Montag und Dienstag. And then wann arbeitet Er arbeitet Harun Aslan is ich arbeite am Wochenende und Wochenende auch, and also he's working in Tuesday, Wednesday, Mittwoch, Donnerstag. Tuesday has been he is free, so we can say wann arbeitet Er arbeitet am Mittwoch and then Donnerstag, Freitag und Samstag. This is how. And then plural formen. So we will see in the next lecture.